It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Yes, here on the channel we review a lot of these weird obscure stuff from our friends from China. In this video I wanted to talk about the Family Pocket Portable Player. So this is more like a combination of a little arcade stick, a wiggly arcade stick, and we can play some games. The question is, are they naughty or are just giving you 180 family friendly crappy games? So that's what we're going to find out. This is the 2019 new model 2019. We're living in 2020 when making this video. Okay. Inside we are finding the same stuff like always. Let's see, how is this device run? What the hell is this? Little suction knobs that I can attach to it. I think it's for giving this thing some grip. Yes, it is. It works on batteries. Sadly, that's really sad that it still works on batteries. I did review a similar product quite some time ago. It's old school, working through the RCA connection. It has mono sound, and not to forget, you can just, let's say, hook it up to an HDMI upscaler and use it as an HDMI signal. But I'm not going to do this. I'm going to grab my old Samsung LCD display. I'm not going to use this either. So guys, there is no toilet paper manual today. So let's take a close look at this device, by the way. Okay, so the joystick is not even a real arcade stick. I think it's more like let's say a membrane. The sticker's getting loose here. It's just like a membrane underneath. We're going to open it up because I wanted to see for myself what's in it. Are these real parkers or is this? Oh, this is basically just fake. So they're even having fake little screws over here to give more like an authentic arcade experience. Very cheap A and B because they're 8-bit games. Here we have, I'm guessing, this is the reset button. The connection is quite strange. We're having this barrel jack that goes from barrel jack to RCA. Also very strange. Maybe this can something be funny to stick a pie in. And let's grab myself a screwdriver and let's put some batteries in. So this bloody thing works on 3 freaking batteries, AA. I think it will give you a couple of hours of playtime, but I don't get it. Why are they not giving you the option to add your own power supply, for example? Or give somebody a freaking power supply. But yeah, this is more like a plug and play, old school, that we can just play our old games. And we are ready. Camera cable. Turn it on. There is a little LED over here. So, I am ready for it. Woohoo! Time for the wiggle joystick. Yeah, alright, so I'm ready for it. We're going to get this funky tune. The basic, I'm going to swear this is the same menu like the little arcade I've reviewed in my previous video, but right. Alright, what we're going to get are 180 games. There are no naughty games. Waving Pong Pong. Exactly all the same games that I've seen before. Blackjack. Now this is a combination of very basic puzzle games. There are some rip-off games that are basically naughty, but at the end, for example, you can get games like UFO Race and all the other stuff. We have the game that's called Powerful Girl, Wrestling, Spar, Fighter. This freaking joystick is not responsive at all. Yeah. No, they're okay. It's a different way that you're going to play these games this way, but I would say this is more like an old school Commodore 64 Atari 2600 experience than an arcade experience. It's a funny device, but the games are pretty decent. Oh, just lost my power up. Great! I just need to press the button and that's it. I was hoping for a new platform. And the people who are familiar to the channel who know what I mean. Hey! It's Load Runner! They ripped something off! It's unfreaking believable! Oh crap, oh crap. What is he doing? Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the Family Pocket Mini Arcade Commodore 64 ripoff. I don't really no clue how to call this thing. But nevertheless, it's more like a basic plug and play, and it comes with the 180 games I have seen on arcade machines, plug and play devices, you name it. And I must say, to be honest now, when playing more and more with this, it's not really bad. There are some funny games on F-22 is cool, the Load Runner ripoff, and there are quite some funny games. So this is what you're going to get.